fuck me. If I knew we was going to a bar mitzvah, I'd have brought me fucking skull cap. Mate, Tottenham's due north. Are you lost? Or just fucking stupid?
Still a stand-up comedian, eh, Dunham? Oh, mate. You know, back when the Major was doing your job, he wasn't nearly so chatty. Probably because he wasn't quite so nervous either. Yeah, the Major always preferred a scrap to your yammer.
What is that?
Yammer?
What is that?
You reckon?
Yeah.
Mate, I think you should get on the next train and fuck off out of here.
Oh, yeah.
Before something bad happens.
I do believe it. Oh, yeah. Maybe we'll be interested to see exactly what that is. I mean, you're not exactly top-flight mob these days, are you? Hey? More like a two-bob mob.
See? Now, it's just plain rude. But hey, if you fancy it, who are we to let you down?
Oh, yeah. Come in then, son! Come on, then, you fucking